All right, quick little opening summary here for 8501 Park, and starting with some of the best parts. So you see that pool there, you'll see the tennis courts, and to the right there is the clubhouse. So indoor pool, basketball courts, racquetball courts, you got to check it out. They got a lot going on here. And here's the actual unit itself. So going to fly in, situated, tucked in a nice back corner of the overall Powhatan complex. And there you go. You see the proximity to Wilmington right away. So that's basically it. I'll add some more boots on the ground and walking around, but this is the back of the unit itself, which you can access that way if you don't want to go through the main entrance. And here you go. So there's the front door. Just going to show you that, show you Wilmington one more time. And after that, we're going to actually do a few segments. So we're going to get you in the house, around the house, and then the outside of the park. All right, 8501 Park here in Powhatan. And this one's nice. So 2-bedroom. We're gonna walk right in. Got some help right here. Perfect timing. It's like you're a professional. So I'm gonna head down here, I'll show it to you. And that way you don't have to come see it in person right away. So big living area right here. You can see massive couch. You have your private little back porch there, and take this in. So big kitchen, 2 seats right there, plenty of room probably for 3, quite honestly, almost 4. So there you go. Cooking's electric. See the cabinets right here is the laundry. So stacked unit right there. I'll spin you around. And right here is the 2nd bedroom. So it is a 2-bedroom unit. Good sized bedroom too, by the way, just so you can see. Pull you in. Closet is right over there. You do have a window and a ceiling fan. And here is the electric panel. So you can see that. Painted the wall color, blends in. I'll back you up here. Right there is going to be the water heater and the HVAC. It is a train unit, I believe. It is. So newer, high efficiency. Looks like it was serviced by Horizon, good local company. And here's your water heater. So, showing you the storage you have here too. Good kitchen. And now we're just gonna go this way. So the bathroom connects from here all the way to the primary bedroom. So nice, simple, clean and white. And this, I believe, was updated at one point because that looks like a one-piece. So there you are. Door, and then we do have a little linen closet here. It's not little, it actually goes back quite far. All right, so again, bathroom, very spacious, and then we'll go right into the primary bedroom. Here you go. So take you in the corner and spin around to show you the size of this, because this is not a small bedroom at all. It's a queen size bed, and you have plenty of closet space here. And as I back you out, you have 1, 2, 3 windows. So there you go. Look at that. And just to make it complete, I'll spin around one more time. See every single angle. You see exactly how big it is, because this is a larger 2-bedroom unit. Ceiling fan here. And then, actually go out the back. So here is the backyard. Private area here. You can come in the back door if you want. And probably even park there if you like. Let me spin you around. And there you are. So I'll leave you right there. All right, we'll try to keep this quick, but boots on the ground is the best way to see this. I know the drone footage is out there, but 2 newer tennis courts over here, 2 more up there, and I'll just spin you around. Right there is the pool. Absolutely majestic right now. Nobody's inside of it. There's the clubhouse, and this is the nook where, you know, in Powhatan, all the action takes place. So really nice courses. I know they redid the tennis courts, that is, a few years ago. But here, we're just gonna take you up to the pool. I got a lot of pictures here, but it is deserted thanks to some potential rain. But guess what? It didn't rain. So we're just gonna take you in. There is a guy's bathroom and there is a girl's bathroom. And this fine gentleman here, if you see him, has this entire place to himself right now. So take that in. Just one quick video. Look at all the seating. And there you are. So I didn't want you to miss out on the pool. So here is just the outside. There is the unit. We're gonna back you up and show you this, because a lot easier to get your bearings here The good news is coming into this side of Paladin, you come straight in over there. So real easy to get in. And as you can see, it's about 5:30 at night. I gotta check, but it is fairly decent parking, especially here. There's other parts that get a little tighter, but this was no problem. And I wanted to show you, to me, this has always been like a park-like atmosphere, because over here, where all the buildings kind of conjoin, you have just, you know, common space in between. And it's a good amount of common space. I wanted to show you that. Just met somebody walking her dog. There you are. So look at that. And actually over there, we'll add the drone footage as always. There is the pool and the rec center and the tennis courts. And we're just gonna fly over a few times so you get your bearings. But for this specific one, 8501, straight ahead. So a nice little nook here because you can park, like I said, fairly private. You know what? Let's add a little bit more because you can actually go down there and park and come in the back door. So you'll see that in the video, see how it ties together. But once again, we're gonna add in a little bit more video and take to the skies.